What's up, everybody? Kyle and Jack here with another quick ear training tip. So today we're going to learn how to hear the middle notes of a chord instead of just the top note and maybe the bass note. The middle can often be trickier to hear, and this exercise is going to help you be able to do that, and then you'll be able to transcribe what's going on harmonically with your favorite players. So let's go. So this is a pretty simple exercise, but it's powerful, and I would recommend that you have a firm grasp on intervals, so you should be able to identify pretty easily the quality of different intervals. So that's major 7, major 3rd, and I would also recommend practicing playing 2 notes at the same time, and then singing them from the bottom to the top. And that's actually basically what this exercise is going to be, only we're going to do it with 3 notes, and if you get comfortable with it, you do it 4, 5, maybe even 6 notes, but it does get pretty challenging at that point. So you just reach out. You can do this with a piano or a guitar and just play 3 random notes. And if you're able to, just listen to each note and sing them from the bottom to the top. Now, a lot of people won't be able to do this right away because it is quite challenging. So what I would recommend is to play the whole chord, try and listen to it, try and hear all the notes. But if you can't, then you play the bottom note and you sing it. And then you play the chord again and you listen for that note and sing it with the chord. So you'll probably find that once you isolate it and you're aware of what that pitch is, you'll be able to hear it in the context of the chord. And then you do that for the middle note. Then listen for that pitch in the chord. And then you do the same thing with the top note. Typically, the top note will be the easiest because we're used to hearing melodies. So this will be especially helpful with the root note and the middle note especially. So keep doing that until you no longer have to play each note separately to hear the pitches, and your ear will slowly develop the ability to hear what's going on with those inner voices. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll be posting more tips like this. And let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is in terms of transcribing and ear training, and maybe I'll do a lesson on that. Till next time, cheers.